I'm here with Simon Powell of Lockheed Martin, and we're in Lockheed Martin's turret demonstrator. Simon, I'd like to ask you, what is the purpose of this demonstrator?
So the purpose of the demonstrator is to show the customers how we can take technology that might be their requirements and integrate it into a system. So for instance, in here we've got the display screens are from our Ajax program, whereas the control handles are from Warrior. We've got an independent 360-degree rotating sight. That's actually not used on either vehicle, but again allows us to demonstrate that we can take something that the customer might already have integrated onto a different platform or vehicle, adapt that to give them a commonality across the fleet and integrate it using our common architecture approach.
Right, interesting. So what role does GVA, generic vehicle architecture, play in the turret demonstrator?
Well, that effectively boils down to what we've just said, where we can almost sort of plug and play the technologies. For instance, the screens, the control handles, the sights and everything else, and as you know, it may need small amounts of tweaking in terms of background software and everything else, but it can be done.
Oh, interesting. So have you had any feedback from customers or potential customers on the benefits of using this demonstrator?
Yes, we definitely have. So this demonstrator allows us to kind of feature the technologies which we've got in our development, but also what we've actually got in there, and gives them a sort of hands-on feel to how the final product's going to sort of look and feel. It demonstrates our ease of use. Our touchscreen panel here allows us to kind of talk them through what the sequence to a firing will be, and because it's touchscreen and it's emulating its software, if they'd like something slightly different or want to try a different layout, then obviously that's really easy to actually do in software. Whereas if we were doing that in hardware with switches, it would take a lot longer time and would cost more to the customer and everything else.
Absolutely. So do you have any future plans for further developing the demonstrator at this point?
So as we at Lockheed Martin sort of come up with new ideas and technologies, what we try and do is roll them into here first, give them a bit of a play, roll it out, bring it to exhibitions like this, so we can get feedback from our customer base into what they want to see, or if it needs to be tweaked, or anything else. So it's the perfect platform for us to get that immediate feedback from not only the grassroots level troops, but also at government level too.
Absolutely. So how long did the demonstrator take to develop in its entirety, would you say?
To be honest, I'm not sure I'm really in a position to answer that. It's kind of been an ongoing project. So I've been at Lockheed Martin for 4 years. I know this has been in existence for at least 3. So I'd imagine it's been tweaked and nursed along and upgraded in that time.
Thank you very much, Simon. Appreciate it.
No problem at all.